Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's nail video, I'm going to be doing it a little bit different. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to skip out on the intro and just jump in. So today I'm going to be using some polish that Born Pretty sent out to me. They sent me out a kit. I'm going to go ahead and pop up the kit so you can see all the different colors in it. So it's just your brown nude colors. I really love it. But today I'm going to be using this cream white. I loved it. I thought that it would look so pretty. So that's what we're going to be using, which this is the first 101. So I did go and get my nails done a while ago, and I did the pink and white, but I just went ahead and filled it in with a clear. I'm just gonna let the pink and white grow out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is gonna take a base coat and coat my nails, and then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. So now that I got the base coat cured, I'm gonna go ahead and take this cream white polish from Born Pretty. And I just have to say thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending this out to me, because I mean, honestly, their sets are so nice. I'm going to absolutely have it linked down in the description box for you guys. I absolutely love using their polishes. Born Pretty has very nice quality. It's very low odored polish, so if you're sensitive to odors, this will be a great company to buy from. It's very affordable, and again, the quality is there. Now this polish, I only have to use 2 coats of it because the pigment's there. I love being able to get an affordable polish that actually works and lasts. This doesn't chip off or anything, so you're not going to have any problems with that. And I do like to do thinner coats. I don't like to put it on too thick. And of course, I'm going to take a brush and just run around the edge of my cuticles, get all of the extra paint off of my skin, because I am just kind of being sloppy with it. So now that I have my nails all cleaned up, I'm just going to go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds. Okay, and now I am going to do my second coat. And again, I'm just going to do thin coats. This polish is so nice that you don't have to do 3 coats. And you don't have to do real thick coats either. And again, I'm just going to go around and clean up on my skin. And then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so now that I have them cured, I am going to take my rhinestone glue. And I'm going to take my brush. Now this brush comes with the rhinestone glue. And I'm going to paint my whole nail in the glue. And I'm going to do that on the ring finger, and I'm also going to put it on my pointer. Try not to do it too thick. It is kind of hard not to do it too thick, but you do want to get the whole nail coated in a nice even layer. Now to clean your brush, you're just going to use a little bit of fingernail polish remover to clean your brush. And then I'm going to take this white glitter that I have, and this is just a regular glitter. This is not made for your nails, but it will work. So I'm just going to dip my whole nail into the glitter. Make sure you do this over top of a paper towel because it does get messy. Once you dip it, you're just going to go ahead and cure it. And I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, so now that you have it cured, you're just going to take a brush and you're going to brush the glitter off of you. Now, this is completely dry. Like, you can leave it just like this, which of course I did not. I'm going to top it with a clear coat. So, let me empty this in the trash. And this glitter just works so well because it's very, very fine glitter. Now I am going to take some more rhinestone glue. Whoops. I'm going to take some more of this rhinestone glue. And I'm going to put it right on top of the glitter. Again, I'm just trying to get a nice even coat so that way the glitter doesn't feel so rough, because I just don't want it to be hanging on everything. I have very long hair, so I'd rather it just be clear coated, but I do not have a white glitter and a gel polish, so we're making it, girl. So now I'm just going to take a clear top coat and I'm going to clear coat these. This is just going to help smooth out the rhinestone glue. And now I'm going to cure this for 90 seconds. Okay, so now that they're cured, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my stickers, because on these other nails I just did a little sticker that's rhinestones. I'm going to try and find them and link them. I have had them for quite a while, but I would also say you should probably get like 2 packages because they don't really have 2 of the same. A couple of them are the same, but most of them are not. And you just place these where you want them. So that's why I like them, because they're so easy to do. You just stick them on. And then last but not least is the pinky. Again, I'm going to take this rhinestone glue and I'm gonna coat right over top of these. Didn't need so much for that nail. I'm not trying to do this really thick, just trying to get a nice coat on my nail over top of the rhinestones. This really does help to seal them in. Especially the stickers, because sometimes stickers like to lift on the edges, so this just helps them to not lift as bad. Again, I'm going to take my top coat and run over top of it. And then I am going to cure this for 90 seconds. Okay, so now that I have them all cured, I am going to take my nail file and I'm going to file the edges of my nails. Okay, and of course I'm going to use my favorite cuticle oil. I love the smell of this stuff. It is my favorite cuticle oil. It does an amazing job. You can add it to lotion and put it on your body. I have done that a bunch. I've added it to like my elbows and stuff too, just directly on my elbows because they have been so dry, and it does a great job. And this jar lasts forever. And I'm just gonna massage it into the skin a little bit. I think that these nails turned out so cute. And I just wanted to file the edges around them a little bit just to get any rough edges off. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed set. I absolutely love how they turned out. I think they're so cute. I love the cream white with the glitter. I love the rhinestones. Super simple design, but very cute. So if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will get back with you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.